If you're unable to unlock your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, even after troubleshooting, you can put it into recovery mode, which will erase all the current content and settings. We'll go over how to enter recovery mode and how to restore your device to factory settings. To restore your device from a backup, you will need to have one already stored in iCloud or on your computer. Before you start, make sure you have access to a Mac or Windows computer and a compatible cable. If you don't have a computer, you can borrow one from a friend or go to an Apple Store or Apple Authorized Service Provider. If you're using macOS Catalina, you'll use the Finder to complete this process. If you're using macOS Mojave or earlier, or if you're on a Windows computer, you'll use iTunes. Your device will need to be turned on. First, let's put your device into recovery mode. If you have an iPhone 10 or later, an iPhone 8, or an iPhone 8 Plus, press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your device. Hold down the side button and then connect your device to your computer. Make sure to keep holding the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. This may take a moment or two. On an iPad with Face ID, press and hold the top button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your device. Hold down the top button and then connect your device to your computer. Make sure to keep holding the top button until you see the recovery mode screen. This may take a moment or two. On an iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, or a 7th generation iPod Touch, press and hold the side button or the top button until the power off slider appears. Then, turn off your device. Hold the volume down button and then connect your device to your computer. Make sure to keep holding the volume down button until you see the recovery mode screen. This may take a moment or two. If you have an iPad with a home button, iPhone 6s or earlier, or a 6th generation iPod Touch or earlier, press and hold the side or top button until the power off slider appears. Next, power off your device. Hold down the home button and then connect your device to your computer. Make sure to keep holding the home button until you see the recovery mode screen. This may take a moment or two. Next, we'll walk you through restoring your device to factory settings. If your device has Find My enabled, you'll need to make sure you have your iCloud password ready. Now you should see the option to restore or update your device. Click Restore. This will erase all settings and content. If you have a backup saved to your computer or iCloud, you can restore it after this process is done. Finder or iTunes will download and install the latest version of iOS or iPadOS on your device. If the download takes longer than 15 minutes, your device will exit recovery mode. To re-enter recovery mode, you'll need to repeat the steps described in the previous section. After the restore is completed, your device will restart. Be sure not to disconnect your device while it's restoring. If you still need help, contact Apple support to speak with an advisor, or to make an appointment at an Apple Store or Apple Authorized Service Provider. To learn more about your devices, subscribe to the Apple Support channel, or click another video to keep watching.